In a world where technology is the golden thread weaving our lives together, imagine stepping into your kitchen of the future, where the hustle and bustle of meal preparations are replaced by the symphony of the Mikkigarmi Series 7 line of appliances. This is no ordinary array of kitchen helpers, but a harmonious blend of cutting-edge technology and streamlined aesthetics, all brought together through the groundbreaking Honeybee Protocol. The Honeybee Protocol, or HBP for those in the know, is the invisible conductor of this symphony, the maestro that orchestrates an optimized performance from each appliance. Picture a scenario where your fridge is not just a passive storage unit, but an active participant in managing your home's energy consumption. It discusses, with the dishwasher, the oven, the toaster, adjusting their cycles to maximize efficiency and minimize your energy bill. But what makes HBP truly unique is its ability to understand context. This is not about devices simply turning on and off at set times. It's about appliances that are aware of the broader context, that adapt and react intelligently. Imagine a coffee maker that understands you have a meeting in 20 minutes and brews a quick cup, or a microwave that knows you're running late and defrosts your dinner just in time. HBP's genius lies in its ability to optimize resources. It ensures that every watt of power, every drop of water is used judiciously, transforming your kitchen into an eco-friendly powerhouse. The appliances are no longer isolated units, but a connected ecosystem, negotiating with each other to provide the best possible output. And the crowning glory of the Series 7 line is the ease it brings to your life. No complex instructions, no baffling interfaces, just straightforward, intuitive controls that make your interactions smooth and effortless. In conclusion, the Mikkigarmi Series 7 line of appliances, powered by the Honeybee Protocol, is not just a leap forward in kitchen technology. It's a transformative approach to home management, a testament to the power of intelligent design, and a glimpse into a future where technology is not just a tool, but a trusted partner in our daily lives.